Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and I'm really excited to share this video walk-around tour with you here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2023 Mercedes-Benz Maybach GLS 600 4MATIC. This is a top-of-the-line vehicle from Mercedes-Maybach. Comes in a really unique exterior color. From a distance it kind of looks, pretty black, but then as you get closer and the light starts to hit it, it's got this really sharp kind of red tint to it. I believe we're calling this Rublade Red Metallic. Pretty cool. You can just kind of see it as the light hits it. So of course this Maybach is full of features. I'm going to show you quite a few of them here in this video, but then if you're interested in learning more about this vehicle, when you even set up a test drive, you're welcome to reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So we've got a two-tone beige and kind of maroon interior color here. Of course, we've got heated and ventilated memory seats throughout the vehicle. We've got the premium Burmester sound system, upgraded speaker system as well. Really sharp, really nice looking interior here. And sunroof stretching from front to the rear. And let's go ahead and hop inside. So mileage on this vehicle, 47, brand new, barely had a test drive. We've got a push button ignition. And here we have our touchscreen display, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. And backup camera of course includes a ton of different views here. You got your front, plus the above, you've got your left and right sides, you've got back, and you've also got parking assist, which is a really neat feature that we won't go over here today, but I'd love to walk you through that in person. Below our display we've got climate controls. We've got wireless charging pad and USB connections, as well as cup holders, and these are heated or cooling cup holders. Super fun. Below this we've got our touchpad here, which you can use to make adjustments on your display, and it's a touch screen, so you can use the touch screen itself. You've got the touchpad. You've also got steering wheel controls right here. All these can be used to make adjustments on your display. You've also got your dynamic select switch here, so you'll switch between the different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. You've got your volume controls here. You've got some quick access for navigation and radio, as well as vehicle settings and a few other things. What else? We got our shifter here. You'll also notice this vehicle does have ambient lighting throughout. That's all fully customizable in the menu system as well. That's a brief overview of the vehicle from the driver's perspective there. Again, there's so many more features that we won't walk through here today. We'd love to show you in person. So taking a look at our rear seats here next. Again, we've got the power memory heated and ventilated seats throughout the vehicle. You've got this power sunshade, which is super nice. Again, you've got that Burmester sound system throughout. It's really nice accent trim, really sharp. The rear seats are very unique. You've got this recliner style seat. So we've got this one set to basically kind of a typical seat, unreclined. And you can see this one back here where it's got more of that recline going on. Nice pillow for even more comfort. You can see the sunroof again stretching from front to the rear. We've got rear climate controls. There's a quick peek back up front. I do have a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, as well as USB connections here. Got a little bit of storage and cup holders, which again are heated or cooling cup holders. We've also got a tablet back here, which you can use to make any adjustments, pretty much similar to what you'd have on your display up front. And push of a button, you can actually use the tablet mobily. Kind of cool. Just drop it back in to reconnect. We've got a little extra storage back here. And then in the back you've got your Burmester subwoofer back there. Alright. So exiting the vehicle, you'll also notice the floorboards here, which retract and extend when you open or close the door. Of course, with the Maybach branding as well. And then coming around to the rear of the vehicle, we've got our Maybach, Mercedes-Benz, and GLS 600 badging, power opening and closing trunk. And then you do have this switch back here, which actually raises and lowers the chassis. So it'll bring the vehicle down a little bit here to make it a little easier to load as needed. And then push button to close your trunk. So once again, this is the 2023 Mercedes-Benz Maybach GLS 600 4MATIC. And if you're interested in learning more or setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.